10 Coolest Survival Gear and Gadgets available on Amazon. Surviving in the wild or navigating an emergency situation requires the right gear. Luckily, Amazon offers a plethora of high-quality survival tools and gadgets to help you prepare for the worst while ensuring you can tackle any challenge with confidence. Here are 10 of the coolest survival gear and gadgets you can find on Amazon today. Sawyer Squeeze Water Filter. Water is life. In a survival scenario, having clean water can be the difference between life and death. And that's where the Sawyer Squeeze Water Filter comes into play. This lightweight, compact filtration system removes 99% of bacteria and 99.9% of protozoa from fresh water sources, making it an essential tool for any prepper or hiker. With its simple yet highly effective design, you can squeeze water directly into your bottles or hydration packs, making it incredibly efficient for on-the-go hydration. Whether you're scooping water from a stream, river, or lake, the Sawyer Squeeze ensures that you have access to safe, clean drinking water. While it's easy to use and requires no batteries or complicated setup, it's important to clean the filter regularly to maintain its optimal performance. Still, for its size and effectiveness, the Sawyer Squeeze Water Filter is a must-have for anyone serious about surviving in the wilderness. Clean Canteen Insulated Bottle. In the wild, staying hydrated is crucial, but keeping your drinks at the right temperature, that's next-level survival. The Clean Canteen Insulated Bottle is perfect for both keeping your drinks ice-cold on a scorching day and your coffee piping hot during chilly mornings. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this bottle is built to withstand the toughest environments while being BPA-free and eco-friendly. Its double-wall vacuum insulation ensures your liquids stay at the perfect temperature for hours, and the sleek design fits comfortably in your pack or cup holder. However, while it's perfect for storing your hydration, remember that it's not a filtration device. It's meant for holding pre-purified liquids. Still, with its durability, temperature retention, and ability to reduce waste from disposable plastic bottles, the Clean Canteen Insulated Bottle is a fantastic addition to any survival kit. Ultimate Survival Technologies Blast Match Fire Starter. Starting a fire in an emergency is one of the most critical skills in survival, and the Ultimate Survival Technologies Blast Match Fire Starter takes this to a whole new level. This fire starter is designed to work in all conditions, rain, snow, or extreme cold, and produces a powerful spark with just one hand, making it ideal for situations where your hands are cold or you're dealing with limited resources. The blast match uses a spring-loaded mechanism to generate high heat, igniting tinder in an instant. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, and the design ensures that even beginners can successfully start a fire without too much effort. Coleman 2-Burner Propane Stove. When you're out in the wild and need a reliable way to cook meals or boil water, the Coleman 2-Burner Propane Stove is an absolute game-changer. This portable stove can easily accommodate 2 pots or pans simultaneously, making it perfect for preparing meals for multiple people in a survival situation. The stove features an adjustable burner with a high BTU output, ensuring that you can cook meals quickly, even in less than ideal weather conditions. It's powered by easily accessible propane canisters, which are lightweight and compact. However, while this stove is a fantastic tool for cooking, it's not the most lightweight option if you're hiking long distances, so it's better suited for car camping or base camps. Thermarest NeoArix Lite Sleeping Pad. When you're out in the wilderness, getting a good night's sleep is essential for staying sharp and healthy. The Thermarest NeoArix Lite Sleeping Pad is the epitome of comfort and convenience, providing you with a lightweight insulated cushion that can be inflated in a matter of minutes. Weighing just over a pound and packing down small enough to fit in your backpack, this sleeping pad offers a comfortable and supportive sleep surface, even on rocky or uneven ground. The NeoArix Lite's unique design provides excellent thermal efficiency, keeping you warm even in cold temperatures, which is essential for staying comfortable during survival situations. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Staying hydrated is one of the most important survival priorities, and the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter makes it incredibly easy to ensure you always have access to clean water. This compact and lightweight filter is capable of filtering up to 1,000 liters of contaminated water, removing 99% of bacteria and 99.9% of protozoa. Whether you're drinking from a stream, river, or pond, the LifeStraw allows you to safely drink straight from the source without worrying about harmful microorganisms. It's small enough to fit in your pocket or backpack, making it an essential tool for any hiker, camper, or prepper. Nemo Equipment Victory 2P Tent. When it comes to shelter, having a durable, lightweight, and reliable tent can make all the difference in your survival experience. The Nemo Equipment Victory 2P Tent is designed for both comfort and performance, offering a spacious interior that comfortably fits two people, making it perfect for couples or pairs of adventurers. This tent is built with weather-resistant materials, ensuring that it will hold up against rain, wind, and even snow. It's easy to set up, with color-coded poles and a straightforward design that minimizes the hassle of pitching camp. While it's not the lightest option on the market, its durability and comfort more than make up for it. Keep in mind that in extreme weather conditions, it's always a good idea to reinforce the tent's stakes and guidelines to ensure maximum stability. CamelBak 14er24 Hydration Pack. When you're out exploring, staying hydrated is critical. The CamelBak 14er24 Hydration Pack is a high-performance hydration system designed to keep you hydrated while you're on the move. With a 3-liter water reservoir, this pack allows you to easily drink without having to stop, making it ideal for long hikes, survival situations, or outdoor adventures. The pack's design is ergonomic, with breathable shoulder straps and a padded back panel for maximum comfort during extended use. The 14er24 also includes multiple compartments for gear, snacks, and other essentials, making it a versatile choice for anyone who needs a hands-free way to carry water and supplies. While it's a great option for hydration and convenience, be sure to clean the reservoir regularly to prevent bacteria buildup. Snow Peak Titanium Spork. If you've ever tried to eat in the wilderness, you know that utensils matter. That's why the Snow Peak Titanium Spork is such an essential survival tool. This lightweight and incredibly durable spork combines a spoon, fork, and knife all in one sleek design, making it perfect for eating meals on the go without the need to carry multiple utensils. Made from high-quality titanium, it's resistant to corrosion and can withstand high temperatures, ensuring that it will last through many outdoor adventures. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in any survival kit or backpack, and its minimalist design ensures it won't take up too much space. While it's incredibly practical, you'll need to ensure that you're using it carefully, as titanium can be more prone to bending under excessive force. But for everyday use and eating in the wild, the Snow Peak Titanium Spork is a lightweight, reliable, and long-lasting option. Osprey Exos 58 Backpack. When it comes to survival gear, having a reliable backpack is crucial, and the Osprey Exos 58 Backpack is one of the best in its class. Known for its lightweight design, the Exos 58 offers a perfect balance between comfort and carrying capacity, with enough room to hold all your essential gear without weighing you down. The backpack is designed with advanced suspension technology to provide excellent ventilation and support, keeping your back cool and comfortable even on long treks. With multiple compartments for organization and external straps for attaching gear, the Exos 58 ensures that everything you need is within reach. What's your go-to survival gadget? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome gear reviews. Stay safe, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.